Satsang. In the morning, you listen to satsang. What about it? What do you listen in the morning? Please prepare to answer.
In the morning we listen about karma, the Sinchit karma. We take small part is Pralapt karma. We come in this life. We produce new karma, Kriyaman karma. Then we learn how to stop karma. We say God is doing everything, not we are doing. God is doing everything in business, in family, and if we are in interaction with people, we accept what is happening. And about all the Sinchit karma, I asked you how to get this away. You said, we say, God, you did everything. It was not me. You did everything. It's not my mistake or my karma. And thus we get salvation when we, in the dying time, we leave everything behind. We have no attachments. We are detached. And we not think of anything. And we try only to think of God and hear His name. And we go to God.
Very good. Now, just I shall tell you about ages of the salvation. You asked me many times, but I could not give you instance. That was not the time. Just it is time. So, human life divided in the 4 division. First, brahmachari ashram, it maintain the celibation up to age of the 25. Previously, nowadays 20 years. So a boy or girl, he should maintain the brahmacharya up to 20 years. Otherwise, his celibacy not completed. His organ, body, bone or mind, are not mature. So up to time of the maturity, he has maintained the celibacy, and that time he may be study the language, or he may be doing the work of the iron smith, or he may be doing the goldsmith, any work. He learns that work. Or if he is in the college education, according to whatever the pesa what is the occupation he is doing. So 20 years he always see these girls, my sister, like that. And girls see my brother all. So they maintain it. Otherwise you see how much we are looking like you yourself from beginning what you did. So our celibacy down, immaturity. And what is the result of the immaturity? Result of immaturity is uneasiness. Don't like anything. You don't want to stay here, go there, purposeless. You sometimes there, this and that. To do this and that, you do that other way. So that is the uneasiness. And that is a disease. And it is unknown to the doctor and all and everybody. Doctor themselves also in the same category. Do you follow me? Doctor themselves is also in the same category. So it is the weakness of their celibacy, times of the immaturity. He discharged, he lost his Shivan. Understood? Now second is life is divided in the work, what he will do, the service, whatever he do. So that is called the maintain the family life. A marry, produce children, made so many hostels for you, this and that. And you should have a vehicle and this and that. You collect these things, you need food in this world. So in that work, you always very busy, become uneasy. For that you search for perfect master, who is give knowledge to you. So you approach to him. Then 20 years celibacy, 20 years the works of the homely work, that is called Grihasthashram. First you called this Brahmachari ashram. Ashram means the age of that. And third is the use of the get the knowledge, and that is Vanprasth. That's called Vanprasth. So after 40 years a man maintain that thing. That is what he should get knowledge, because he tired of all the things. He tired in Graste, do this and that, and building and money, this and that, and so puzzle. So he listened the sermon of the perfect master 20 years continually. Do the work. Previously they give up no, do your duty where you are. Previously they leave the home and escape from there. And the difference, no, that is not time. Time changed now. Doing all the works you do. Suppose that you have to return the debt of your wife and children or something, and you escape from house. So the record is there that you are in debt. Such a money, such is. You give him trouble, you are not wearing this. You give him the pleasure, you are not yet returned. So that is your credit is there, somebody's debt. So to refund that thing, you should not escape from the house. In this age, according to this age, I am talking to you. Now the people are old age. That is not time. Time has changed, and people do not know about it. But puja, what is this? They do not know what is time. Time is to work. I told you work while you work, play while you play. That's the way to be happy. Say 1 foot, 1 foot down. That is the way to learn. So you do all the works of your household. When you get the knowledge, full knowledge, it means that what is age? What is your age at that time? 20, 60 years. No, 20 years for you, Wallace. Supposing that age is 80, approximately, that this is the 20 years you have. And that is called Sannyas Ashram. To give up all and everything. And previously they leave the home. This is not time to leave home. You do your work. You may go, gather the people, or call them, or they notice that they say, I the such and such a gentleman is such thing here. You come there. And there is no management of the bandara, eating. If you have to manage there, anybody here, then you come. Otherwise not. The people of the Delhi is there. And if you go to Bombay, the people of Bombay invited. And that is a group of the inviting. You don't like that. So that is the way. So this is the process in this year. Yes, gentlemen. So what I told you, just know you please, have you in mind? Think it, little think, and then apply. आप समझ गए ना? 80 साल की उम्र बनी गई है. 20 साल तो ब्रह्मचर्य का पालन करो. अगर पालन नहीं करोगा तो तुम्हारी मैच्योरिटी रहेगी, बेचैनी रहेगी. हाया नहीं करना. जो सूझ देख लो कि ब्रह्मचर्य गिरा हुआ है. लड़का है चाहे लड़की है, तो बोन वगैरह पूरा नहीं बनेगा उसका, ब्रेन सब कुछ इमोचुरिटी रहेगी. उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? बेचैनी फैलेगी, अनरेस्ट, uneasiness. Even though you may doctor, you may Rashtrapati, anybody, but they become, and people don't know about it. So this will the perfect master explain these all things. समझा नहीं? पूर्ण रूप बताएगा. हाँ, gentlemen, I give you a chance. What I have told just in few minutes, kindly, if you memorize that, tell me. Yes.
Okay. I tell what I understood. First 20 years, a man is young, is learning, and is keeping brahmacharya. Second 20 years, 20 to 40, he may lose brahmacharya because he's in marriage. He's doing family, work, all these things. In the next 20 years, 40 to 60, he stays in family, is doing his work, his job, but he gets the knowledge and the sermon from the perfect master.
Very good.
And in the next 20 years, up to 80, this I not understand. He stays in family still?
That is called sannyas ashram.
Yes.
Sannyas is meant given all and everything. This is not sannyas. That case, no, that is not sannyas.
Mm-hmm.
It was drama.
Mm-hmm.
So give up that all. No ordinary woman, ordinary man.
And he's living according to the knowledge of the perfect master. He's realizing this in this last 20 years.
Yes. So you have to tell the other people. We are going there. I am telling you to those people, okay, this is not time of the having that, this and that, making any drama. You do as you working at home, or sometime you if you have get the mission, you do the mission. But you not tie one place. You are free, sannyas, mukt, jivat mukt, soy mukta. Salvation in the life. You understand? This is of salvation in the life. ये तो आपको कोई मैंने क्या बताया है इनको क्या बताएंगे ये किस लिए बताया है किस लिए what purpose I have you explain all English speaking people try to your best I shall support you to give the knowledge written I shall support you from my study something what you want but it is your duty you need not worry I shall support you that is with you you to the books will come from the website www. Captain Larson books in front of you. So you understood the celibacy, how long you ask me a question, how long I maintain this and that, when start. Understood? Always. If you need the children, then you do. Otherwise not. If you need children, then 1, 2, 3, and at that time meditation all stop. But other work you can do, no harm. But do the meditation, that is harm. And after some time you maintain, no children needed, that you carry on. And ordinary life this work should be. Not particular dress, not particular fashion of the dress, this and that, not body, tilak and nothing. These are the old system. They are forgotten. The old system they are repeating. Suppose the snake is gone and the sun is there. Like that. Understood? What is last stage? Sannyas. To sannyas mean to give up all the attachment, all the attachment, give happy. And that is called the salvation in the life. To perfect master is always necessary. Both things, as long as your life, you should have a guide. As long as you are doing meditation, you need this living perfect teacher of the spiritualism. Only one thing is not equal. So all the things are do this and that, and what always remain two things: meditation plus spiritual knowledge of the Guru. If they are troubled, ask him. If they are troubled, some say, I headache, and nobody guides them, so they are very severe. He become mad, half mad, and sometimes full mad, doing the kapha, this and that. Balance is upset. For that, he should approach to the neurosurgeon, who is expert in this mind. He give you some medicine and then. So it is really important. You continue your medicine, otherwise not. So yeah. So what I tell now?
You told about the 4 stages in life. Then you give the order to spread the knowledge in English-speaking countries, upload in YouTube the 15 satsangs, do the meditation, live ordinary life in job and family, and listen to the satsangs by myself, get the knowledge, celibacy. If there are problems, ask you. Perfect Master.
This is for those who want to go there. This knowledge is for those who are very desirous to go there. Or other people, what to do? Other people, they need not for that thing. So if they come close to you for some trouble, they have trouble something, but say, sir, I want to know about the spiritualism. Because behind that is what so many problem. And he was uneasy. So you come to you, yes, you should do. And search, test him. Before talking religious talk, you test him. Acha, what is your age? How many education you got? This and that. He said, not education. And this and that. So what about your family? Sir, very much trouble, this and that. So she tell him the way of his family's problem. Solve that. This is also your duty. This is not simply to give the general knowledge. People come to me, what purpose they come? I did the same. For what purpose Dr. Kamla met to me? I told her.
Mhm.
For what purpose she came to me? I did that. First of do the treatment of that. And then if we become religious, then you do that. What I am telling to you, that this is not necessary. So for ordinary people, what you do? They come not to start giving spiritual knowledge to them. They need not for that. He has problem.
Mhm.
So you inquire him, see his condition, uski talk, and then think that what deserve he, what for he is suffering. You as a doctor test, you test him.
Mhm.
If you telephone, yes, you test. Dr. Kamlaji take and then direct to me. You do it. So you ask him for what he is doing. Please you settle here. Yes. Oh, he wants knowledge, so tell him that read the books or whatever master give to you. First solve this. So what is the knowledge for those other people? They are uneasy for other purpose.
Mhm.
They are not desirous for that. Most of the people. Exceptional cases is there. So you are the exceptional man to come meet me here. Others who come for other purpose. Special. I did not tell anything to this gentleman. He come there to special purpose. He come to me, and I don't know him. He continued America. How long you huh? 10 years he come to see me. I don't know him. And I don't know. Not he talk it to me. When he began talk, oh, this gentleman is for that purpose coming and not telling me. I told you don't be that person. You will get this. After 10 years, I do not recognize him. He get. So he was desirous. So you are the desirous for that. Now you come for that thing from long distance. This is the way that you search, ask, and what is need, so give him. What is he need? Money. He is suffering from money. So you tell the method of how to earn the money. He needs so many things. Other, so you tell them, you do whatever you want, you deserve for that. That thing always. And pray to God, not to me. Pray to ideal.
Mhm.
You pray to him.
Mhm.
Today I am telling to you, this knowledge is not for all the people. This knowledge is for desirous, and that you will have to inquire and ask him and search that whether he is right or not, and what he want. So perfect master's man means that he whatever he want he should give. Not I am giving the spiritual knowledge. I am not telling to you. That is not way. Somebody if comes here, I don't say to him, go away now. I am spiritual knowledge. Let him see what condition he has. As a doctor, I don't do treatment of this. And so you tell him this, where he should go. Tell him. So you do like that.
Okay.
You get it?
Yes, thank you for the knowledge and thank you for this duty.
What I tell you?
Yes, if somebody comes in English-speaking country, I must see, does he want real spiritual knowledge from his heart, or he has basic problems like family, money, job, health, and if he has normal life problems, I shall see it and give him advice how to solve this problem first. Have peace in family, how to get more money, how to get health.
Whatever trouble he is suffering,
I help him.
Help
I
him.
help him.
Help him.
And
This-
when this is solved, I will see he has real spiritual demand, interest or not. And if he has, then I will give all your teachings to him.
Understood?
Yes,
Tell him
understood.
What to do.
He is saying that as per your order, he will see the people for what purpose he is coming to him. So if he having some worldly problem, he will diagnose and tell according to that. If he desires for spiritual knowledge, then he will give spiritual knowledge.
Okay. Other thing is this for you, your qualification. that you should never angry from today to anybody. This make a vow that I from today never angry to wife, other parents. If nonsense work he is doing, accuse him that he is not honest. If he suppose say some abusing language, don't agree over to him. Listen and smile, hush and smiling. Listen, smiling. This habit you have to obtain. So from today you will never angry. Ek baat. Angry, never angry to anybody. Not to keep anybody enmity. If suppose a man is did some loss to you, forget it. It was not. It was due to bad luck. Whatever trouble he gave, he stolen my money, this and that, a car and something, whatever deceive you in the life, forget all this. What I am telling you, a very great thing, it's a very difficult thing. Talking is easy and acting is very difficult. To be practical is very difficult. How I say, I myself sometimes forget about it. When I forget the name of the God, that idea, I have no knowledge of the perfect master, I forget, at that time I also come down. And then there is a vivek. There कहते हैं अंदर से आवाज आती
Wisdom.
है.
Yes.
अंदर से आवाज आती है क्या? अंदर से समझ आती है मतलब. समझेगी बात? और बोलो.
Yes.
अंदर से समझ आती है.
Sometimes he come at the level of mind. When he forget this God's name or the form of Guru, he comes at the region of mind. Then he get wisdom. He gets knowledge from inside. Then he again goes there in the meditation.
To remember the talks of the at that time.
Yeah.
That is knowledge.
That is Guru.
That is knowledge. That is Guru. So what I told you, this is
You told from this day on, from this hour, I shall not be angry, not to anybody. Always forgive, 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 not be angry.
tell me what he told you.
Yes, he is saying that you ask that from today you will not get angry to anybody.
One thing you remember, not think of anybody, not yours, but you should have leave all the enmity. Never think anybody weak. If somebody had deceived you, you don't bother about it. It is not deceived. Sometimes he previous life he deceived him, so he is converted. And you say that is my bad luck. That was not your mistake. It was my bad luck. If your son is not supposed obeying you, and then you say those 2 times, 3 times explain him, and after that he do, but no. It is not your. It is my bad luck. My good boy. It is not good. You not be angry about it. It is very, you see, very difficult. I am telling to you easily, but it is to maintain very difficult. To remember these things very difficult. So be practical. Otherwise, if it is not practical, still you give this. But you think that I myself be blank and giving him knowledge. You think yourself. I am not practical and I giving the preaching. That's why you come here. So in future you will hear whatever you are supposed to lie, then you will not. I quote an example, if you remember. Once there was a Guruji, a spiritual teacher. So a lady took her grandson to him. Sir, he listen this, Guruji, he eating jaggery more. So can't help him. But mother, yeah, do. You go and come after 1 month. She went back. After 1 month, she again come from the far places. But the boy was heavy. She was old. And then come and say, this is 1 month. Okay. I never add that is jaggery. Otherwise, there will be some mean you will be in trouble. Okay, mother, you take it. Your grandson will be all right. Mother, what are you doing? This thing you can tell that day. Why you called me again? I come and went to you. At that time you can say, my boy not to take. But at that time I was also eating the jugglery. So there was no power in me. I was like, so 1 month I give up the jugglery. I vow that I never took. And no, I telling the powerful thing. Examples, is understood or not? Yes. What understood? Give him. What story, what example I quote. That need not, but I tell
Yes,
to you.
I have to practice this by myself.
Mm.
Practice,
Yeah.
make it real.
Mm.
And when I practice,
Mm.
then it has truth, it has meaning.
Now,
If
what I told,
The story,
repeat
okay.
the story, please.
Yes, there was one boy taking sweets, jaggery, and mother came with the boy to a saint, to sant, and says, please explain him not to take this jaggery. And then saint says, come in 4 weeks. In 4 weeks, mother comes with the boy, and then the sant explains to the boy the bad effect of jaggery. And then the mother says, why you have now need 4 weeks? You could have told him at once. He said, no. At that time I was eating by myself, and now I not eat for 4 weeks. And now my advice has power, has truth, because I stopped by myself eating.
And this is the example. Very right, all right. Some understood. Say it is easy, but be practically very difficult. To principle, be practical, or until you are not practical, still you carry on. So your habit will become. And that think look like me. I am not practical. Yourself. Oh God, bless me with that. So that I will be practical. He will bless you. Whatever you want, He will bless you. From where you live, the question, perfect ones are showing you way. Simply way. It is depend upon you, gentlemen. Whatever you do, you have to do it. I self only, I have no jadoo, no power to do this and that. No, nothing. Blank. I got the knowledge about this, and so I departing this, giving, and being practical. And being practical, I am developed totally in the salvation, living salvation, most of the time. And you will get the same thing. First do, give, take. Give knowledge, you will get knowledge. Whatever you say, so you will do. Whatever you sow, as you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow in the farmer agriculture, in the land, so as you sow. If you wheat, then he will get wheat. If sugar, then he will get sugar. So as you sow, so shall you reap. So sow good seed, you will get good. Give pleasure to other, you will get pleasure. Give knowledge to other, you will get knowledge. Whatever you give, so you will take. And power in you. Of anything you want to ask.
All the knowledge you give us now is how to live happily, how to live correctly, how to behave correctly, all these things. How we can get beyond the mind. When you talk to us, you are always beyond the mind. You are up and we are down. We are in the mind. We are in body and mind. When comes the time and how we get over the mind? How is this possible?
What he say? Tell me.
He is saying that we keep on thinking. Mind is always working. So we will not be able to go beyond thinking. So how is this possible? Like you are in meditation, spirit sound yoga, you are there. And he is in the region of mind. Always thinking, always thinking. So he wants rest to mind.
His mind is up to light. In the meditation, light. When you go to light, then there is no thinking, no mind there over up there. When you reach, suppose that in the light, here this area, white
From
light,
sun.
then you forget all and everything, and your mind stops thinking.
Anything else?
To be in the light, this is in meditation. It is not doing work, not with family, not in job. It is in meditation.
He is asking that this white light meditation, do I need to do after work or while work? While doing his worldly duty.
What?
ये पूछ रहे हैं कि जैसे आपने बताया प्रकाश में चले जाएंगे सफ़ेद रंग में तो मन काम नहीं करेगा, तो ये कह रहा पूरा दिन करें या काम करते हुए भी करें या काम के बाद करें.
When it is necessary, when you need it, when you have leisure time, doing all your duty, after that you have leisure time, at that time you do, and try to, and for this, what is precaution you will take? Maintain celibacy, as well not to meditate. Ask the perfect master, may I do this thing? If he says, then you do, other need not to do it. To prepare for knowledge and get the knowledge and read the book and this and that, all the things. When you think you are fit, you have time, you do. When you are ability for that, created the ability, what? Maintain the celibacy. Otherwise, there is nothing in mind. If you meditate, balance, mind balance, upset.
Maharaj ji, he wants peace of mind at the end of the day. He works in the office 6-8 hours, but after 4 hours, 3 hours working, he get energy.
Peace of mind is always engaged in the work, gentlemen. Not let the mind to be vacant. Empty vessel sound much. So he always concentrate where whatever work, not to the religious only. So many work you have. Your child is there, your homework is there, office work is there. So engage that in. And if you have no work that time to you do, no time means spare time. Put temper your mind will trouble you. So you engage in that. Only that time. Understood? अच्छा अभी 5 मिनट आपको देता हूँ सबको. आई एम नॉट फॉर यू दिस जेंटलमैन. 5 टाइम आप लोग पूछो कोई चीज़ पूछना चाहते हो. Think before you speak. What you want to ask? Anything, home problem or anything.
How to control our angriness?
Getting knowledge. When you listen to Guru Sadhu, what harm is, there is blood pressure, BP, this and that problem come. When you get this knowledge, so not bother about it. So after some time, remember, say, today I did, next time I will not do it. Today I did this thing, ये काम किया, next time I shall not do it. You suggest some अच्छी good thing to them. In this sermon, we are going, what good thing you are looking at? You are giving knowledge.
Yes, Maharaj ji, with your grace, I understand that we all are playing in the hand of God. He is playing in us. We are nothing, we are His puppet. We are His tool. So it is better to play good game. If you want to be happy here, try to play better game here and leave everything on Him that He is doing. But we don't know Him. So to whom we pray? So better you make an ideal, take knowledge from Him and live according to His advice. When you have any problem, you ask to Him, you go to Him, sir, this is my problem, so please advise me. And as per advice, you live your worldly life and your spiritual life.
Yes, good. That is why. That is why I say that he is farther than me. He is farther class. I got this knowledge long time. Very long time. You received the sermon of the Fakir Chandji, written in a book. Two lectures, two disclosures, two sermon. And reading long time, then I understood this thing. And he understood some other time. So is farther or not? And you also come in the same category. You do this work, give the people, and if your work is completed, that's all right. If not completed, say it is not my hand. It is God. He did not let me do the work. He is all and everything. Not to sorrow and not to enjoy. Shame. हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छा, नहीं हो जाए तो उससे अच्छा. बताए हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छा, बता तो बोल.
You think of a work, what you want. If that happens, that is good, very nice. If that doesn't happen, you also keep smiling. Don't worry about that.
You
Think
say
that
that is
it is
also
good
good.
for me.
That is good because it was
There is something
intended.
good for me.
It
That
is
is
होना ही
for,
था.
yes.
Okay.
It has to happen like
Hmm.
this. Any kind of work.
Hmm.
Anything you want, if that happens according to your mind, that's fine. If that doesn't happen according to your mind, also then be happy.
That
Think it is in my favor.
in both side you are happy. Yes.
You have to take positive things.
हाँ, दो बताया क्या बताया?
If I do any job, any work,
Yes.
I have the mind has expectation. If the result comes, I'm happy. If the result not comes, I accept. I say it was God will. It was will of God.
This is also good.
Yes, also good.
Hmm.
And I stay detached.
You have to understand this thing.
Yes,
That happens is that we are happy, and
Yes.
then happen we are unhappy.
yes,
So you give up from where this come happen and then happen. If you do the positive ideas, they make a good luck, positive for others. Then that was happen. And if you have negative, then it is not. This is your maker.
yes.
Your maker happen or not happen.
Maharaji,
Very great thing. This is the problem. This is the great thing. This I am telling to you. If the work is happen, okay, happy. And if the work is not happen, we are unhappy. So from where this thing come? This thing come over thinking or ideas. Suppose that we are family man. Your wife and you are sitting there in the room, eating food, happy talk. She said something, you to you. Okay, I know that your family people were also doing like this. Yeah, your mother. Suppose your mother is also same like you. Bhabhi ऐसे करती थी. हैं? She pointed to my mother. You calmly think, go on thinking, and that idea will relate to go in Brahman. In the proper stage, when they reach the idea, then they stay there. And in the due course of time, the ideas come again. Like AC current start, so the same idea come to your house. Whatever you think, you live to your wife, for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, yet 1 day or 2 days, as the case may be, continually, that idea will come back, and this thing happen opposite your mind. The evil ideas, the come the result of that in the house, because something happened. What happened? Suppose that you brought a car, good car, they do, and it was result of that thing. You will thinking of that time, and do it also course of time. It may this life or next life. So this life is also next life. This life जो करते हैं तो करेंगे भी तो get the next life. So this was the idea of your thinking, and if you have knowledge that this is not, it is my mistake, because I at that time not, I might think wrong. And if your knowledge is that, when you be angry and begin to think, you will think, and this my talk is, remember what I am thinking. The things will not happen according to me. It will come turn in bad luck. So I should not. That was the Gyan. It was the Guru. If you remember at that time my talk, that is the Guru. So good thing or bad thing क्या? You हमेशा always have a Shiv Shankar Mastu. Always have think, always good thing. Good thing. Beautiful thing. Beautiful. Always have beautiful thinking. And it is very difficult to live it always. So try your best to get this sermon, listen the sermon, or slowly study when this is. You understood. क्या समझे ये इसको बताओ पहले उसको पूछो कि आप क्या समझे इसमें जो बोला इसमें.
What do you understand now? Maharaj said this last 5
I
minutes.
told you great thing. All they are suffering for this problem. All are unhappy ignorance of this idea.
yes, we have expectations in everything, but what happens, what will come, we accept. When it's good, we accept it, it's good. If it's not good, we think it's good for us. It was God's will. We not stay angry. we think positive, we not think negative. If we think negative about something that happens against the mind, we think positive. If we think negative, radiation will go to the sky, and one day, after 1 week, after 1 month, next life will come back and will do us harm. And if we have the knowledge in this moment, we know, okay, I not think negative, I think positive, I accept what comes.
कि जो मैं कह रहा हूँ दुख क्या और सुख क्या है? दुख ही सो दुख 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 नहीं चाहते हम, सुख चाहते हैं। तो दुख तो क्या है, कहाँ से आता है, सुख कहाँ से आता है? वेरी सिंपल थिंग, ग्रेट थिंग इज दिस. दिस इज ग्रेट थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, ऑल द वर्ल्ड don't want the dukh, they don't want the problem, they don't want the unhappiness, they don't want, nobody. When unhappy, they don't want. And those things happen according to your mind, you are happy. तो हैप्पीनेस और अनहैप्पीनेस कहाँ से आए, क्या है वो आदमी का? अरे ये ज्ञान नहीं है इसको, नहीं मेरे को नहीं किसको, जिसको ये है कोई तकलीफ नहीं. कहाँ से आता है ये? आदमी तो क्रिएट करता है, अरे खुद ही तो करता है, और खुद को ज्ञान नहीं है. बात समझे ना मेरी बात? पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग ब्रिंग योर दिस हैप्पीनेस, और पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग योर हैप्पीनेस अकॉर्डिंग टू माइंड. Very great thing. This is problem to all the world. They are unhappy. They don't want to unhappy. And they don't know from where they come. They created themselves. They do not know. The perfect master tell you in the sermon, you explain you and that you, happiness and happiness, you are maker of that. You are maker of them. When you think negative, it results in happiness. When you think positive, your result is in positive. Positive means your mind, and negative means you opposite to your mind. You want that not come. Thing is very little, or it is a great thing, great problem of the world. Everybody is unhappy, problem, or he do not know from where this come. So it is from the negative positive thinking. So always have positive thinking. Always have positive thinking. So negative thing not to come. And it is very difficult to do always positive thinking. When somebody says some wrong thing to you, you right? Somebody abuse you. Positive, negative. So this avoid is, that is why I told the gentleman, you not angry to anybody. I have told you, never be. If you are not angry, then not think like that. If you are not angry in your wife, children, or servant, or anybody, then not negative thinking. But it is impossible. Say is easy, do is difficult. Saying easy, but we are practically very difficult. This is the problem. Negative, positive thinking. So always have positive thinking. Please tell me again, what are you telling?
Yes, the negative results come, they are created by the mind, because the mind had before negative thinking, was angry, whatever was negative, and then comes a negative result, which is the effect of the previous negative thinking.
Most important thing I told you today. What is happiness and what is unhappiness? So for that you have to principle. Leave enmity. Never think bad, evil to anybody. Whatever you think, so it. So many examples you can quote daily homely life or any life. When your idea is positive, then the result will come in positive. When your idea is negatively, then you will get negative. A positive mind. These are the things. In every work, basic principle what? Not to keep enmity, not to think evil of against anybody, not to tell, not to deceive anybody. These are the things. और भी कुछ करना है क्या? So this is enough knowledge, and you apply first this. Other knowledge will come automatically to you. And that is not to count the highly educated. That is something, somebody. Those who wanted to go there, for them, meditation for them. And the meditation is for what? To get money, to get a lot of izzat, to be respected, to get education. These are so many things. So they do like that. Understood? So that all knowledge will automatically come to you.